Donald Trump is no stranger to controversy, but his trial may have revealed something far bigger than any headline: a justice system divided, not by law, but by privilege as the courtrooms fill. The world is watching. Is justice truly blind, or is it wearing a designer suit with a VIP pass for the wealthy in America? The promise of justice is simple: equal treatment under the law, yet Donald Trump's trial feels like an unsettling spotlight on a deeper truth. The justice system isn't always fair. While ordinary citizens face swift consequences for breaking the law, the rich and powerful seem to live by a different set of rules. Imagine this: a man steals food to survive. He's arrested, prosecuted, and locked away in days. But what happens when a billionaire is accused of crimes that could shake a nation? Court delays, top-tier lawyers, and a media frenzy. The outcome? Often a slap on the wrist. If that Trump's trial is no ordinary case, it's a battle of politics, power, and perception. But what does it reveal about the growing gap between the justice served to everyday citizens and the protection enjoyed by the elite? To understand the stakes, we need to look closer at Trump's legal battles, from accusations of election interference to financial fraud. These are not minor offenses yet. The trial process seems almost theatrical: postponements, negotiations, and legal maneuvers that delay accountability. Compare that to an ordinary defendant. In most cases, there's no time for luxury delays or high-powered defense teams. The verdict is swift and the sentence is served. But for the wealthy, every step is a carefully crafted performance, designed to stretch out the process until the public moves on, or until the case simply fades away. While the rich play the legal game, the poor suffer in silence. Take the story of Kalief Browder, a teenager accused of stealing a backpack. He spent 3 years in jail without a trial. 3 years for something he didn't even do. No luxury lawyers, no national outcry, just a broken system chewing up lives. Meanwhile, high-profile figures like Trump continue to navigate the system with resources that ordinary people can only dream of. So, what does this trial really mean for America? It's a question of fairness, not just for Trump but for the millions watching at home who wonder, if they were in his shoes, would the system treat them the same? The truth is hard to swallow. There are two justice systems, one for the powerful wrapped in privilege and another for the rest. Swift, unforgiving, and often unfair. Trump's trial may just be another chapter in his political story, but it's also a stark reminder of a growing divide, one that threatens the very foundation of justice. Will we continue to allow this dual system to exist, or is it time for change?